This is Mark. Let's see if this is a challenge. Let's go. A super challenge. And hit. Oh no, bye-bye. Next is going to be the mystery machine. Let's go. Wow, almost landed, but bye-bye. Next is going to be crazy guy. Let's go, baby. Oh my God, that's a front flip. That horse is not going yet, and it's going. The next is Power Horse is going to land a double backflip, but it's moving on. Next is Sparkle Smash. Let's see. Oh, it tried to land it. And let's go. Baby, oh, double backflip, donuts. And going for it. Again, the front flip. And he's moving on. Next is Wonder Woman. Let's see. And next is Blue Thunder. Missed it. Next is going to be Wolves. Let's go. Can't say it. And next is going for his wheelie. No, wheel head back to its wheels. What's that? He tried to make it. Oh my God, that's so cool. Next is Meg's Destruction. Going for his nose wheelie. Nose wheelie for his nose. It's going for a battle, but not making it. Next is Mutt with the mission. Let's go, baby. Oh, that was bad. Next, tomorrow is going to be the next one. And bye-bye. Bye. Bye.